Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are fine. Today, inshallah, we are going to complete Unit 8, Sports, Lesson 3, Students Book, page 62, Listening. Let's start with opener. What are the benefits of playing football? Yes, increasing endurance, increasing strength and power in the legs, less fat and more muscles, better foot-eye coordination. Now open your student's book, page 62. Our lesson today is listening. Now let's start with exercise number 1, grammar focus, collections. As a basic rule, people play activities that use a ball. People use go with activities that end in ing, and people use do with activities such as material arts and other exercises. As a basic rule, people play activities that use a ball. We can say play with, play badminton, play baseball, play basketball, play football, play hockey, play ping pong, play soccer, play squash, play tennis, play volleyball. People use go with activities that end in ing. We can say go bowling, go camping, go cycling, go dancing, go fishing, go golfing, go hiking, go ice skating, go running, go scuba diving, go snowboarding, go surfing, go swimming. People use do with activities such as material arts and other exercises. We can say and use do with, do aerobics, do exercise, do push-ups, do sit-ups, do yoga, do a warm-up. After we have explained the difference between play, go and do, decide whether to use play, go or do and complete the table. We have some activities. We should put each one in the suitable column. Let's start with play. Yes, play football. Chess. Tennis, that's right. Volleyball. Play basketball. Let's move to the second column. The activities can go with go, swimming, cycling, sailing, fishing, skiing. As we said here, we use go with verb plus ing. Now let's move this third column and the activities which go with do. Let's start. Yes, karate, judo, athletics, yoga, gymnastics. Now with listening skills. Before listening, name these sports. We have 3 pictures. Look at the pictures carefully and Try to say the name of the sport. Let's start with number 1. Yes, that's a good karate. Number 2, ice skiing. Number 3, rugby. Now let's start listening. And during listening, getting fit and healthy. Getting fit and healthy should be fun. Listen to how to get fit by playing fun sports to find out how to enjoy yourself while exercising. Now, let's start listening.
Target English, Grade 9, Unit 8.
Getting fit and healthy should be fun. Listen to find out how to enjoy yourself while exercising. Steps. Number 1. Be prepared and motivated. Make sure you are ready to practice a sport. You should try it first even if you are not very much interested in it. Have everything ready, like all the equipment you need and a bottle of water. Number 2. Select your sport. There are so many fun sports, so I am sure you will find the one you like. Horse riding or diving are good if you like the challenge and have patience. Ball sports are great fun, but you can get too tired if you play too much. Don't overexercise and you will enjoy the game. Number 3. Learn how to play the sport. After you have selected your sport, start looking at how the professionals play it on TV and get tips about the sport. Enroll in a club in your area. You will both learn new skills and have new friends. Number 4. Practice makes perfect. Schedule practicing your sport twice or 3 times a week to be able to play it well. You won't get in shape if you don't play the sport on a regular basis. Number 5. Play various sports. Instead of playing one sport, try other different sports. As sports vary in rules, they also vary in activities and skills. So, why don't you play a different sport every now and then? This will make you fit and help you build new skills.
Now, my dear students, in exercise 2, after we have listened, we have 2 questions. We must find the answer from the text we have listened. Question number 1. How many steps are there? Do you remember when you listened carefully? How many steps are there? Yes, that's right. There are 5 steps. Question number B. Which step is the most important for you and why? Try to remember the answer from your listening. That's right. Play various sports to make me fit and build new skills. Now, after listening, read your answers. How many steps are there? There are 5 steps. Be prepared and motivated. Select your sport. Learn how to play a sport. Schedule practice in your sport. Play varied sports. Here in exercise 3, post listening. Talk about your favorite activity by answering these questions. We have 5 questions. We want to discuss and answer them. Let's read them first. Number 1. What is your favorite activity or sport? Number 2. How many times a week do you do this activity? Number 3. Where do you do this activity? Number 4. Do you do this activity alone or with someone else? Number 5. What do you like most about this activity? Now, my dear students, let's make a discussion to the 5 questions. Let's start with number 1. What is your favorite activity or sport? Every one of us has a favorite activity or a sport. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is maybe football, others like volleyball, tennis, or any other activity. Question number 2. How many times a week do you do this activity? I do my activity once, maybe twice, maybe 3 times a week. Question number 3. Where do you do this activity? Most of us practice his activity in the club. Question number 4. Do you do this alone or with something else? If you play a team sport, you play it with a team. If you play or practice an activity alone like walking, you do it alone. Question number 5. What do you like most about this activity? I think it is interesting and keeps us fit. Now, my dear students, it's time of closure. As usual, my dear students, we bid you farewell at the end of each lesson. We wish you good times, all happiness and fun. See you well. Thank you.